In this video, I want to share with you 10 free Halloween goose prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 10 free Halloween goose prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and for Etsy. So today is Sunday, July 27th, 6:38 a.m. in the morning. And I got 2 sales already, 1 return. Past few days actually haven't been too good. I was getting a little depressed, to be honest. So 54, 51, 35. This day really kind of sucked. But yesterday, my faith was kind of restored. Ended up getting 88 or 44 sales, $88 in royalties. Would have been nice to hit 100. I got a couple $100 days here at the beginning of the week. But that is going to put me at 992 sales for the month and $2,375 in royalties. And if we go ahead and take a look at my stats for Etsy, so yesterday, July 26th, ended up doing 5 sales, $80 in revenue, so I probably profited somewhere around 35, 40 bucks, something like that. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. Sometimes I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. So one of the biggest trends this year that has been going on has been the goose niche. I actually think it started popping off around the end of last year. But the goose niche has been doing very well this year. I think it all started with just a silly goose, or like this gym design right here. If we go to Merch Dominator, we can just see that there's all these really good designs selling with good BSRs in the goose niche. And as merch on demand sellers, what we want to do is we want to take this niche and we want to cross niche it with upcoming holidays like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. And so what I did is I went ahead and made 10 free prompts, taking the goose niche and cross niche it with Halloween. And you can go ahead and download that for free on my PayHip shop. Let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts and designs so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the first one right here, trick or goose. Obviously during Halloween, everybody says trick or treat. Now, a really good tip that I've made videos about in the past is you can just take almost any niche and just do trick or like yoga, trick or coffee, or you can do that with any niche. So here we're doing that with the goose niche because right now the goose niche is trending, and we see this is actually a really good design. We have a goose that's dressed up or disguised as a ghost with the Halloween candy. It says trick or goose in nice Halloween font. So I really like this design. I think this could be my favorite one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Next one is going to be Honk-A-Ween, and I also really like this one. This one I really like because it is a play on words. If you've been on Merch on Demand, I always talk about this. Just play on word designs tend to sell very well on Merch on Demand. Maybe I would have liked it if this was to be in orange, or maybe take some bats, put them in orange, but you can change that. And then you have the word honk. So if you don't know, honk is the sound that geese make when they're talking or making noises. It's not like quack like a duck. That's for duck. So geese, they do honk. So Honk-A-Ween, if you go back here, you're probably going to see like some words where you see honk. Let me see if I can find one. Of course, since I'm doing the video, probably won't be able to find it, but I guess you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Oh yeah, right here. So honk, you can see. So that is the second one. And then the third one is going to be this kind of summer one. So Halloween vibes. I did just notice that there's 2 eyes, so you do have to change that. That's actually in the prompt right here. So right here, you're gonna see 2 eyes. So you will have to fix that. But if you like this one, you see it came out really nice, kind of like a summer vibe. Next one is going to be Spooky Goose on the Loose, and I saw a bunch of these. This seemed to be a very popular one. So here we're taking, instead of Silly Goose, which was the design that I think originally took off on Merch on Demand, as we can see right here, Silly Goose, Serious Goose. Here we're doing Spooky Goose, which is obviously related to Halloween. Now, you don't have to do a design like this. You can do like a ghost instead, but here I just decided to go with the witch. I think it turned out pretty good. Next one is going to be Goosebumps, where you have 2 gooses dressed up as witches with just a Halloween theme. And if we go back to Merch Dominator right here, we're going to see that this design was actually started taking off. Right here, Goosebumps, this is a pretty popular one. And what you're going to see here is that you can just take almost any one of these designs and just kind of make it, or like turn it into a Halloween theme. that is what happened on this one right here. So, and then we just go ahead and basically just put a couple witch hats. I mean, you could also do ghost, any type of Halloween kind of themed, and you can get a nice Halloween goose design like this. Next one is going to be Spooky Goose Squad. So just the word squad almost after any niche for some reason just tends to do very well. You can also do like a crew, a king, queen. I've also seen those words do well, but here we got Spooky Goose, which is trending or popular, and putting the word squad after it. I think this could be good for like you know, kids, or like maybe if you do crew instead of squad, that could also work for like kids that are, you know, doing the trick-or-treating on Halloween Eve. Next one is going to be Cutest Goose at the Pumpkin Patch. So I really like this one. We've seen this design sell well every year on Merch on Demand, but it's the cutest pumpkin at the pumpkin patch is usually what the design is. But here what we're doing is we're using the goose instead of the pumpkin, and we're saying the cutest goose at the pumpkin patch. So this is going to be for, you know, young girls, toddlers, you know, so definitely want to make sure that you have kids selected when you upload this one. But this is a really good one, Cutest Goose at the Pumpkin Patch. And then I also did one for boys as well. So Coolest Goose, so instead of saying Cutest Goose, we're doing Coolest Goose, and we're using the blue color theme right here. So Coolest Goose at the Pumpkin Patch. So I really like how that one turned out. Again, you want to make sure that you're selected for youth. And then I think this is the last one right here, Witchy Goose Book Club. Actually, this one is also probably my second favorite, but look how nice this one came out. The reason why I like this is because it's kind of like triple cross niche. We're taking Halloween, cross niche it with Goose, and then we're also cross niche it with the book niche. And the book niche has just been doing very well for the past couple of years on Merch on Demand. So really like this. Again, it kind of actually looks like a duck. You might have to come back in here. Let's see what, for some reason when I do these, it seems to always want to do a duck. Let's just see. Oh, I copied it. Go right here. Yeah, so it actually made a mistake. So you're going to have to come in here. You're going to have to change it to goose. So my apologies about that. But just go ahead and hit like Command F and just hit or type in duck. And then you can just go ahead and just change it all to goose like that. Oh, I got a sale. Let's see what sold. Good timing. Hopefully it's a big one. Oh, it doesn't want to show. Maybe if I refresh it, might see my sales here. So got two more sales here. One was a long sleeve and one was a standard t-shirt. Long sleeves I'm selling at $24.99. You get a nice $5 royalties. And this one, I have a t-shirt that's selling at $17.99. That's kind of like my price now, $17.99, sometimes $19.99 if it's evergreen. But going back to these prompts and designs right here for Halloween. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so it is 10. For some reason I thought it was less. But yeah, so those are those 10 ideogram prompts for Halloween, where we're taking Halloween and cross-niche it with Goose. And if you want, you can go ahead and download these for free. This is it right here. There's a link in the description. 10 free Halloween Goose prompts. I also have like these back to school prompts that are also for free. And if you want more Halloween prompts, you can actually click on this button right here where it says holiday prompts. And if you scroll down, I have for like Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, back to school. That's another one. And they're all 50% off. So here's a good one, 75 back to school prompts, and then 100 Halloween prompts that you can get for only $7.50. And then I also have like these monthly prompts. So if you're looking for like evergreen niches that tend to trend more like during August or September. So right here, you can get 100 AI ideogram prompts for August, September for only $7.50 as well. So those are those prompts. And then I also have a school community. So like if you're looking for a niche service, where you get like niches every day sent to you with prompts for both Merch on Demand and for Etsy, consider joining my school community. Let me make this a little bigger. There we go. That's how I like it. If you click on the first link in the description or the pinned comment, it will take you to the About page, and you can actually I talk about like who my community is for and what you receive as a school community member. And then I also have these like testimonials here where people saying that, you know, they've gotten sales from the niches that I recommend. So you can go ahead and take a look at that. And then I also have some of my own showing, like, I always like showing this graph. I was always like a 500 a month Merch on Demand seller. And then I kind of was able to like crack the code and figure out how to actually make money on merch on demand. And ever since, I've been making, you know, a couple thousand, $3,000 a month selling on merch on demand, which is obviously very nice because that money just gets direct deposited straight into my bank account, and I can just kick back and relax and go to the gym and watch baseball, play with my son, things like that. All right, so that is going to be the video for today. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these Goose prompts, these Goose Halloween prompts, and make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you never miss another video, because I'm going to be making some more videos. Right now is the time because we got, you know, a bunch of big niches coming up. We got Halloween, we got fantasy football, we got, you know, breast cancer, we got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, and there's probably a couple more in there that I'm missing. But just make sure that you click the bell because I'm going to be putting out a lot of content, giving you guys free prompts so you can make more sales on merch on demand. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.